Hi friends, I am Saijit here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the Call of Duty FPS test on the Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So let's see friends, if you're playing the Call of Duty with the maximum settings and medium settings, what are the different FPS you can get reach in this Dimensity 1000 plus processor in the Realme X7 Pro device. So let me try to quickly open the Call of Duty gameplay, and in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, do check the links in description for the live wallpaper. You can find very good amazing live wallpaper videos in the playlist below. And before that, let me even quickly show you what refresh rate I'm using currently. So if you're if the thing matters for you, so let me quickly show you 120 Hz refresh rate I did enable, even though the game doesn't support, but still I did turn on. So few of the users, they will definitely ask me what are the refresh rate I'm using, so that's why I thought of mentioning before the start of the gameplay only. So right now let me try to quickly swipe to the sideways so that you can see the real-time FPS count, what's happening here. So let me try to log in right now. And for more further details about the Realme X7 Pro, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description, so where you'll find very good amazing videos on the Realme X7 Pro, in-depth and complete details. So before releasing this smartphone, you should know about this device A to Z everything. So that's why I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible before the release date. So right now, if you go to the audio and graphics, you can find this option as very high, and a frame rate I selected to the high as well, as you can see, your friends, right now. So now quickly let me try to open the battle royale game, and let me try to start the match as well. So let's see what is the maximum FPS count hitting in this battle royale game, and even I'll try to do the multiplayer game test as well using with the same settings. So let's compare with the battle royale and with the multiplayer, what is the maximum FPS you are reaching in this mobile phone. So one thing is that having the dual stereo speaker setup is very good experience using the Realme X7 Pro, so which is really helpful while playing this kind of games. So you'll get very good immersive experience when you're playing this kind of shooting games, mostly because of this dual stereo speaker setup, so which is a very good advantage in this phone. And the phone is also not that too heavy as well. It's very lightweight, so you won't feel even that much of heavy while playing the games for long time continuous usage. As you can see right now, it's still loading. So again, I think now the match got connected. So let me try to quickly show you the FPS and CPU, GPU. You can even observe the CPU, GPU usage and how they are performing right now. So let me try to quickly run and show you the result of the FPS count. So right now you can see the FPS with a very high and the high frame rates. We are getting around 41 FPS at the moment. CPU, GPU, you can see 27 and 94% of the GPU. So still till now I did see the maximum of 41 FPS in this phone, 40 FPS. So this with the battle royale mode, so not with the multiplayer. So the multiplayer, I think the FPS will be different, I think so. So let me try after some time. So 43 is the maximum recorded FPS right now. So maybe in the future, after the processor getting an optimization with the game, so maybe the FPS you might be able to achieve 60 FPS easily in this phone without any issues. So let's see friends, let's hope for that in the future, and if there is an update, definitely you will be playing the 60 FPS. But till now, at the moment, you can only play up to maximum 41 and 43 only, not much. 44 I did achieve right now, 44 FPS. So 30 FPS and 40 FPS. So all these are quick FPS test of this Realme X7 Pro. So in playing with the battle royale mode only. So now let me try to quickly quit the game. So I thought of continuing the game, but the video will be very lengthy, so I want to make the video very short. So that's why I'm not trying to play the complete match, but you got a clear idea that FPS in the battle royale, how much it is, the 44 FPS. So now let's see the multiplayer, how much you can get in this multiplayer mode if you are playing in the Realme X7 Pro right now. So even I'll try to test the gyroscope sensor as well in the Realme X7 Pro while playing the games, so PUBG and Call of Duty. So stay tuned for that video as well, so which is going to come very soon. So let me try to quickly start the match. So in the multiplayer you're hitting a 59 60 fps, so without any problem. So in the multiplayer, so the 240 Hz refresh rate also helps a lot in this phone, in this Realme X7 Pro. So right now you can see friends 58 fps, 57, 59 fps. So this is with the multiplayer mode, so not with the battle royale mode right now. So let me try to run and show you the fps. But overall it feels very smooth while gaming right now in the Realme X7 Pro because of this 120 Hz and the 240 Hz touch sampling rate, I think so. So I'll update you on the battery life, how I'm going with this Realme X7 Pro once I do the battery life test, training test from the 100% to the 0%. So overall till now it was very fine and very smooth in terms of the gaming, and no lag even while gaming as well. It's pretty good. So overall friends, in terms of the multiplayer you can play 60 fps without any issues. In the battle royale you will be restricted to the 41 and 44 fps, that is the maximum. So maybe in the future once I get the update the things might be different, I think so. So let me try to quickly run and show you the fps, how much it is. As you can see, 47, 60, 55, 59, 60. So you can see the results friends, it was very positive right now. So there is not much difference in terms of the multiplayer is very not that graphics intended like the battle royale, but still it was able to play at 60 fps without any issues. So let's see, will that remain a constant or not. $59, $68. Suddenly I saw the 68 of fps spike, so that's why 78 fps as well. You can see friends, 78. This is very rare that I achieve the more than 60 fps in the Call of Duty. So overall you can see clearly 58 fps. So this is a quick gaming test, FPS test on this Realme X7 Pro. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, SciTechGuru, in case if you're interested in more tests on this Realme X7 Pro device. And finally friends, this is a quick FPS test and the smooth playback of the Call of Duty in the Realme X7 Pro. And for more interesting videos, as I said, do comment below what are the different videos you want me to do on the Realme X7 Pro. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.